Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm finally got the opportunity to start my fall decorating. So in this video is going to be a fall kitchen clean and decorate with me video. As you can see here, my kitchen is extremely dirty, and I'm going to use my steam mop and the all-purpose method cleaner to clean up this kitchen, and also my stainless steel cleaner as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay till the end. I think it's about 8 minutes in. That's where I start doing my fall home decor. So I hope you guys are inspired and you enjoyed this video. As you guys can see from from this video, that my kitchen was really dirty. I have a lot of dishes in the sink. That's probably from about maybe 2 days of dirty dishes in my sink. I've been extremely busy, with work and everything. I've been extremely occupied with my time. So I just took the opportunity to clean up my kitchen, kind of, make sure everything is placed in the cupboard and all the pots and pans are clean. And also what I use to wash my dishes, I use the antibacterial Dawn dish soap, to kill all the viruses and bacteria that are on the dishes before I stick it in the dishwasher. And then I put my dishwasher on the heat cycle to kill all the germs, bacteria, and viruses that might be left on the dishes. So in order to clean my my stove top, I always use the Cerama Bright cleaner. This is like the best flat top stove top cleaner there is. It gets all the grease and grime off the stove. I usually leave it to sit for about 10 minutes. So I went ahead and swept the floors while it dry, and that's when I use the microfiber cloth and wipe it off. And then I'll usually use the razor to scrape off like the burnt on food or grease, and that usually lifts everything up and leave it nice and shiny, which is what I love. I'm going to use the Method all-purpose cleaner to wipe down my garbage can. Sometimes a little dirt or little stain get on here. It's white, it's hard to keep clean, but I prefer white because then you could see everything, and I'm able to keep it nice and white looking all the time. Next up is my refrigerator. I'm gonna clean the top of it. It's pretty dusty up here, so I'm gonna use paper towel just to wipe it down along with my all-purpose cleaner. I prefer to use paper towel because it's very dusty up here, and whenever I use my microfiber cloth, it tends to just shift or move around the dust, so I prefer to use paper towel.
Make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch.
So next up are my door cabinet doors and also the door handles. I'm going to wipe it down, get off some of these grease stains off the cupboards, and then I'm going to wipe down the cabinet door handles just to sanitize them, because they're one of the most touched areas in my home, so I just like to keep these surfaces clean and sanitized.
Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me.
So now it's time to whip out my handy dandy steam mop. I usually just use filtered water in this device because they're very sensitive. You can't use tap water because that will ruin the steam mop. So I highly recommend filtered water to keep the device running for a very long time. So let's sanitize these floors. So now I'm going to wipe off the countertop, and then we're gonna start decorating with my fall home decor. So if you guys watch my previous fall decor haul video, these items are from that video. So now I finally have the opportunity to, you know, decorate my kitchen. Now if you see here in the end, or I should say at the end of the video, the decor is gonna change up a little bit. I usually, you know, go through like different looks. If I'm not happy with it, I will switch it up. So in the end, it's gonna look a little bit different. So stick around and enjoy this part.
I'm feeling the pain, hating this part. It's bittersweet, losing it all. Love it when cold, left me with scars. It's bittersweet, I'm hating this part. We used to be lovers without living. Now we're just two enemies, babe. We could keep on fighting, keep on dreaming, but how can a soul dream when love is the same?
It's all done now. This is the final look of my kitchen. I kind of like it like this. It's very simple. It's not overdone because I'm not into too much orange. You know, it's not one of my favorite colors. I only like it, I just don't like it in my house. I just prefer, to keep the orange very subtle and, as little accent pieces here and there. But as you guys can see, the end result is a little different. I did add a pumpkin, and I also changed up my honey pot. But overall, I love everything. Everything looks nice. It's very fall. It's very fall, and it also feels very cozy in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again.